Let's do this. I honestly don't look bad like this. I don't know if I could actually pull this off every day, but I don't look bad. I'm not mad at this no hair look. Hi guys, my name is Tori, and today like a week ago, I let my Instagram followers pick out my hair color, and if you guys have watched some of my other videos, you already know what my hair color is, / if you saw the thumbnail, you already know what my hair color is, so I don't really know why I'm wearing a hat, to be completely honest. I kind of put it on so then I could reveal my hair color to you guys, but in hindsight, that doesn't make any sense because you already know what it looks like. About 2 weeks ago, I put out 2 polls on my Instagram story just because I wanted to do a two-toned hair look, just because I like how it looks better than just having one hair color. So the first one was between green and pink, and the other one was between blue and red. So I was a little scared with throwing red in that just because I didn't think it would look good with any of the other hair colors. So thank God that's not the one that was chosen. I originally had purple hair when I went out to do this challenge, so I had to fade it. I do have a tutorial on that, so I'll leave a link down in the description below, as well as a video of my boyfriend reacting to my hair color, and he was not a big fan of it. But time to show you guys. Yeah, even though I've already shown most of you before. But hey, hi new people, you ready to see my hair color for the first time ever besides looking at the thumbnail? Are you ready? Okay, so you guys ended up choosing for me blue and green. So I'm not mad at this at all. I absolutely loved how it turned out. I was really scared about the green. I almost didn't do it. I almost chickened out and just dyed my whole head blue. So I will now show you guys a tutorial of how I dyed my hair this color, as well as showing you guys what my hair looks like with extensions in. So I will show you that right now. Bye. Okay, peace out, dudes. So I went ahead and put in my extensions. I also did curl them a little bit just to make them look a little bit nicer, and I love it. This makes me so happy. So these extensions were sent to me by VPFashion. They are their 20-inch 190 grams, and for the dyes I used Aquamarine by Arctic Fox with a lot of Arctic Mist. For this side I used this same blue, but I just added a lot of Neon Moon, which is the yellow, to create this little green color. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and comment down below what you think of my hair. Do you think my Instagram followers did a good job with picking this out, or do you think they did not do a good job at all? That's it for me, guys, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.